SSL Strategy with 95 EMA. And first, you need SSL Channel indicator, so the setting is 20. And then you need 95 exponential moving average. Okay, 95 exponential moving average. And then I use this indicator, no nonsense ATR. If you're using TradingView, you can use other ATR indicators. So the setting is 2.5. Okay, the stop loss is 2.5 times ATR, and our take profit is 1.5 times 2.5, which is 3.75. Okay, so it's very simple. If the price is below 95 moving average and the SSL channel flip, red above green, you sell. Okay, you just click here, click on a candle, so you see this. So that's your stop loss. So I'm going to risk 2%, let's say 2%. So stop loss is 10 and TP is 15. So I'm sorry, 15. Yeah. Okay. So some people use SSL channel like an exit indicator, but from my experience, it's much more profitable if you just use fixed risk reward. Okay. So here is a sell signal. I'm sorry. So you click 17. Okay. You didn't get that one. Okay. We have a sell here. Price below 95 and red above green. So we just double click here. So we sell. So yeah, it's very simple. Okay, flip again. Enter here. Okay, we get that one. Sell here. 12. Okay, we get that one. Okay, green above red. Price above 95, so we buy. Okay, we didn't get that one. I'm sorry, we have a buy here. Okay, we get that one. So next. Okay, buy here. Okay, get that one. Sell here. Okay, Sell here. So yeah, we're making almost 20%. Okay, we didn't get that one. Okay, we have a signal here. Okay, didn't get that one. Okay, we have buy here. So price above 95. It flipped green. Usually if you have a big candle like this, I will wait first for it to retrace before entering. Okay, we didn't get that one. Okay, we have a sell here. 21. Okay, okay. I'm not going to enter here. I'm going to enter here. And so yeah, you get this. I don't like using this as like a flip switch. Like some people, when let's say they enter here and then it flip, so they exit. I don't like that. I just use fixed stop loss. You make more money that way. So sometimes people overcomplicate stuff and they actually make less money. Okay, got stopped out. Okay, sell here. Okay, sell here. Okay, we got stopped out. Still in profit. Okay, sell here. Okay, stopped out. Buy here. Okay, so that's all. And I'm going to test this like 100 times. And yeah, let's see if this, profitable. So okay, so this is the result of 100 tests. So I test this from 2 January 2020 until 5 June 2020, and it's 30 minutes Euro USD, and in 100 trades, I have 54 win and 46 loss. Okay, so I made 8,600, which is 86% in 100 trade. Okay, so I risk only 2%. So this is very good. Okay, 86% per 100 trade, and so this is the max win, max consecutive win, 5, max consecutive loss, 6. So it's pretty good for a basic strategy. So 54 is it's very good for 1 to 1.5 risk reward. So if you are trading using 1 to 1.5 risk reward, you want them to be above 50. Okay, you can make money even if you only win 50% of the time, because your risk, your reward is bigger than your risk. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, we made money here, and we get losing streak around here, and then we win again. So that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe, and it takes me a lot of time doing this. And if you want the software that I'm using, I have a link down below. Okay, thank you.